Hey, Danny at Dynodaze. Gonna make a video, or gonna start making some videos on this Evo. I've had this about a decade and not done an awful lot with it. So it's generally sat on my driveway, not doing anything. So it's about time we get it into Dynodaze, get Rich to go over it, make some mods. I've got a few parts that I want to fit that are in the boot, that have been in the boot for years and years and years. So I think it's time we did something with it. It might help if I washed it occasionally and stop getting Jason at work to wash it because I'm lazy. So I think probably we'll spend some money on it. It's on 53,000 miles. It's just been my car and my Sunday car, and it is not Sunday, it's Monday. It's bank holiday Monday, a roasting bank holiday Monday. Yeah, so I think that's the plan. So we'll start making some videos on what we're going to do, what power we can get. I've got some friends, Matty amongst other people, that tune Evos, and they can get stuck into this, make me some power. Maybe we shall see. I'm gonna list the spec below, some photos and stuff, and then we'll start attaching cameras to it and kicking its head in, and seeing how far we go with it. I've got a few things that I want to do straight away, like I need alloys and things like that, because they've just been sat here, and I look at it and it's I don't know, it's not one of these cars that I'd ever sell, but sometimes it just sits on the back burner and just sits there, and I look out my window at it, and that's about as much as I do with it. So it doesn't help that my Colt is insanely quick compared to this. So the Colt that Richard's built at Dynodaze with the K20 engine in it, boosted, is so much more of an animal than this car. Now obviously the Evo's more refined, and it does pull well, pulls like a train, but it's not a raw beastie like the Colt. So I think it's time to start speaking to people and getting this up to spec. As a low mileage one, it's probably due some power. Yeah, I think so, and I think that's what I want to do with it. So we shall see how we get on, and we'll make videos as we go and photographs and stuff. I've only got a two-wheel drive rolling road, so it does need a specialist to tune this. We've got all the software to map them, but it's not our area of expertise. Maybe if we got some Link ECU in there or something, we could probably do a good job. Maybe that's the way to go. Anyway, cool. I shall list the spec down here, subscribe and stuff. Probably bore myself by the end of this, but we shall see. All right, thanks.